Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about coagulation cascade within seconds. So are you all ready? So सबसे पहले तो we will start with the two pathways. That is the first pathway is the extrinsic pathway and the next pathway is the intrinsic pathway. तो सबसे पहले इसका ट्रिगर इसका है always टिश्यू फैक्टर. ये जो टिश्यू फैक्टर है ये फैक्टर 3 है and always released from डैमेज्ड सेल्स. और ये जो एक्सट्रिंसिक पाथवे है इसका ट्रिगर है सब एंडोथीलियल सरफेस और कोलाजन एक्सपोजर. तो अब हम लोग ये पाथवे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. तो जब हम लोगों को इंट्रिंसिक पाथवे पढ़ना है, प्लीज रिमेंबर द सीक्वेंस 12, 11, 8, 9. So 12 is the factor 10, 11, 12 is going to activate into factor 12A. That is A is for activated factor 12A. Then factor will be 11 will get activated into active factor 11A. Okay. Then you will have with the help of factor 8, factor 9 will get transformed into active factor 9. So we have learned this sequence. This sequence is done. Now let's come here. Here there will be only one activation. That is factor 7 will get activated into active factor 7. That's it. Here only you have to keep in mind the number 7. Okay. And here 12, 11, 8, 9. Then this and this will merge and will have a common pathway where the factor 10 will get activated into common factor 10A. Then prothrombin, that is factor 2 will get converted into active factor 2A, that is thrombin. And then this will convert fibrinogen, that is 1 into active factor fibrin 1A. And finally the fibrin clot formed. Thank you everyone. For more detailed videos, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel.